डिज़ाइन में अलग ये चीज़ है कि जो सर इसका फंक्शन है ना उसके अंदर हम लोग इस पर लोड आएगा कस्टमर के अकॉर्डिंग। अगर वो लेस वेट वाला है तो फिर बार-बार तो
टेक वन मोर चेयर।
सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अदर वीडियो। ठीक है, आज का ब्लॉग स्टार्ट करते हैं और अभी दिन के बज रहे हैं 9 एंड आज जो है भाई साहब मेरे एग्ज़ाम का आज मतलब डेट है, कह सकते हो। आज मेरा क्विज़ एग्ज़ाम है बेसिकली। लेट्स सी क्या होता है क्या नहीं। एंड भाई साहब ये मौसम चेक करो भाई, बहुत ही ज़्यादा शानदार। तो गाइस फाइनली क्लास के भी अंदर आ चुके हैं और एग्ज़ाम का माहौल काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल है। हमारे साथ शुभम भाई हैं, संजय भाई भी है और आकाश भाई। तो भाई देख रहे हो एकदम हैवी नोट्स एकदम बना। देख 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 यार भाई, देख ना नोट्स बना के लाया भाई।
स्लाइड है बस, दो
स्लाइड्स है कि पढ़ाई है भाई? वो पढ़ाई है, एक्चुअल में ये पढ़ाई होती है। अभी भाई देख रहा डायग्राम वायग्राम सब बना के बाहर। कोई बात नहीं गाइस, हम लोग देखते हैं, भगवान जी के भरोसे हैं। ले भाई ले भाई, बता दियो ठीक है।
क्या
बताएगा ना?
कैसा आएगा पता नहीं,
एमसीक्यू ही आएगा।
एमसीक्यू आएगा।
तो गाइस इस वीडियो में एक्चुअली होता क्या है ना कि हमारा एग्जाम रहता है, ठीक है, एक सब्जेक्ट हमारा क्विज रहता है। एंड सेकंड जो चीज़ है, ये पूरा वीडियो भाई उसी पे रह गया। वो ये है कि भाई हमारे सर ने जो था एक बार्बर चेयर डिज़ाइन करने को हमें दिया था कि आप जो है बार्बर चेयर जो है डिज़ाइन करके लेकर उसके अंदर क्या क्या जो अभी करंट में कमियाँ हैं उसको टैकल करना है, उसको अपना नया डिज़ाइन देना है। तो वो है इस वीडियो में, ठीक है। तो हम लोगों ने भाई कैसे कैसे आइडियाज़ दिए, कैसे कैसे पिच दिए, वो इस वीडियो में आपको देखने को मिलेगा, ठीक है।
Existing that the powers are already have to treat and they have to take it by getting the end. That's already problem existing, but you're not giving a solution to the existing problem while you're creating a solution to a problem that is not existing already.
ये तेरा डिजाइन है भाई।
मालिश करेगा सर को।
But the concept, whatever he is giving, it is unique for like built-in vacuum system at the base of the chair. So this design, what you can see here is a built-in vacuum system. Like we all see that there's hair falling down everywhere, and like the barber needs to clean it after every cutting. So what we have proposed is that we need a built-in vacuum system included in the cab. So I add, and then the basic things is that an inclination angle and the height adjustability. Those are the basic ergonomic features. But what was the unique part here is the built-in vacuum system. So this has more you talked about. The benefits of this feature is that we don't need to hire extra people in a salon which has size constraint. Like if you see, there are often bigger salons, but they have only place for 2 or 3 people. So instead of hiring a people, like this has a better cost advantage. In the initial costing would be higher, but if we look in terms of the entire planning, about 3 years or 4 years, instead of paying a staff every day, this is a good idea. Any questions on that?
That vacuum, where is the vacuum going?
Yeah, see, what I had proposed is that there's a chamber inside, so after every, like it's continuously there, like you are cutting hair and it is getting sucked in. So there are cartridges inside, like what we, in normal vacuum cleaner, we have cartridges, right? So after every cut or 2 or 3 cuts, like it is hidden inside the base itself.
So it will be very difficult to lift the chair and remove the cartridge.
No, like you have features, right? In vacuum cleaner, you don't need to pick up the vacuum cleaner and then clean it. You can access the cartridge from the top side also.
Why don't we just have a vacuum cleaner instead of this?
So-
It will be cheaper.
Yeah, but
you will need to hire
the thing is
someone
here that you need separate time. You need to dedicate time. Like what I proposed was that you will see normal jobs also. They like after every cut they groom it. So this was to like reduce that part. So what he can do is just it will be like cleaner. Whenever you enter, there's no hair falling down. Like you are cutting it as the hair falls down, it gets sucked in, and then you save some time. And it like if you enter salon and you see a clean floor, that has a more visual appeal. So everything here is about more visually appealing and whatever the time and money you save.
Okay.
भाई। वाव सही है, वाव।
What are news you are going to propose?
The first thing that I did was that I went to the local barber that is at Pakistan and I asked him what his main issue is. The first thing that he told me was that he has a lot of neck fatigue just because he has to tilt his head down while cutting his hair. So the first thing that I developed was I made a spindle over here which has bevel gears connected inside. As he will rotate these gears over the spindle over here, the gear will, the seat will get up and low. That will adjust the height factor for him because there are many different height customers that are coming to him and even
You are talking about the manual things.
yes, it's manual because I've taken cost into consideration because he can't afford expensive things right now. The other thing that I did was that he said me that his legs pain a lot at night just because he's standing the entire day. So I made a rotating a small seat for him that will be connected on the case of the. It's not funny guys actually. It is really being done in Japan right now. So I made a clamp over here sir on which there will be a metal frame attached to it so that the degree of freedom that it is having can rotate. It will have a higher degree of freedom so that it can revolve around the chair while he can be sitting over here and he can cut the hair while sitting only. And he can adjust the height so that the height factor is also not an issue, 70 degrees. So he can cut the hair comfortably and I have also placed a holder over here because if you look at the barber when he's cutting the hair, he's always going to his slab or his cabinet where he's picking up the scissors and different combs and water spray and all.
This time this is not available?
What's up?
This time this is not available?
No, it's not available right now. That is why I made this because it will be available just behind the chair on which the customer is sitting. It will be very easy for him and that unnecessary time of going to the cabinet and slab and picking up the scissors, that will be reduced. So at least it will be reduced by 5 to 6 minutes per haircut. That is a big time
You
saving.
know, main proposal is that
Yeah.
one you are giving one that gear system you are
Yeah,
providing
this gear
for,
system that is used
for height adjustment.
height adjustments because it will be easier as compared to other hydraulic systems that are available right
Yeah,
now.
second thing is
The
that
second thing is this metal frame of the seat that is getting attached on the lower base where a clamp is provided over there so that the seat can revolve around the chair.
so for why you have to provide this thing? Because already on simple gear we can fit the chair and hold the chair.
The chair can rotate, sir, but the barber who is standing, he will still be standing, no? That is the problem that he will be facing. If he is sitting over here with a little back rest,
Okay, you are providing sitting arrangement for the barber.
barber, because I'm not rotating the. It is being, sir.
Nowadays, barbers are wearing apron that has multiple pockets, so they can wear.
He's sitting, he won't be able to put the thing also.
If he's carrying his pockets, he's
What is
pockets on his side, he cannot even.
He can keep what is called. It will revolve from here to here. This is 270 degree. This is 270 degree radius only so that it does not come in front of the customer because he's not cutting the hair from front. He'll always be cutting from the sideways or the backways only.
What about the
take more floor space. We can adjust more chairs in the event space. If we add a feature for barber to sit, it will take more floor space.
We can simply take one more chair.
The chair can revolve with some balance of the moment.
Like for example, if you want to cancel
I'm telling you, the best chair will be so we can make it very heavy. And that's
ये जो मैंने डिज़ाइन किया है वो सर बेसिकली कस्टमर के कंफर्ट के ऊपर है। जैसे आज मैंने एक चीज़ मेंशन किया था कि पैडेड जो सर फुट जहाँ पे हम लोग पैर रखते हैं हम लोग वो इंट्रोड्यूस करें। तो मेरे सर डिज़ाइन में अलग ये चीज़ है कि जो सर इसका फंक्शन है ना उसके अंदर हम लोग स्प्रिंग सिस्टम सर लगाएंगे। और स्प्रिंग सिस्टम से होगा क्या सर, जितना ज़्यादा सर वजनी अगर इंसान आ रहा है अगर वो बैठ रहा है तो वो उसके अकॉर्डिंग वेट के अकॉर्डिंग सर ये रिक्लाइन होगा और वो जो फुट एरिया जिस पे वो पैर अच्छे से रख पाएगा कंफर्टेबली, वो भी सर उसके वेट के अकॉर्डिंग ही सर एडजस्ट हो पाएगा। कैम और हाइड्रोलिक सिस्टम सर से वो अटैच रहेगा। जैसे ही सर इसके ऊपर लोड आएगा कस्टमर के अकॉर्डिंग, अगर वो लेस वेट वाला है तो फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंगली सर ये एडजस्ट होगा, और ये फुट भी सर उसके वेट के
That
अकॉर्डिंग
I
सर
understand. I understand that you are saying that once the foot or maybe something, some weight will go, the cam will actuate and it will down according to the pressure will be down.
यस सर।
But you know that what will be the price that time? You are making something which is very best. ये नहीं हो, ट्राई करते नहीं करते प्राइस। बताओ तो बताओ अपने नहीं कुछ है, बताओ कुछ क्या लगता है क्या चीज नहीं है अभी बताओ।
I don't think it is such a big problem so that we should use our intelligence in such a significant.
That is the problem. That is the problem. Suppose if you don't find anything which is to be improved, it means that you are not actual engineer. Engineer means that wherever they will go, they will find there is some problem.
It is not about innovation or we are not at all finding problems, but we should be knowing that what actual problems are and what are not actual.
So I have given you 2 big tanks, 3 big tanks. Why not you give it to near Baba house?
So the most of the ideas which are presented by my batchmates are enough, and if you want to add, there is infinite number of ideas if you want to add, but they must be feasible also.
So you don't think that if you are giving some idea that it is not feasible?
So I also thought so many ideas that we can do some adjustment in the handrest, also the backside backrest which we want to adjust. Like Siman said that like we use a plywood when we were child. So he said that we can use some cushioning plywood. Then we can adjust the seat also upside. But all these ideas are like looking so much significant to use, because like you were saying that the people who are in villages or who are in the very poor family, or if they don't be able to afford all these expensive barber shops, then they will not be able to use. And for niche market, there are already so many availability of all the nice chairs and accommodations. So very much.
You are sampling with that. Next time once you will go for the, I don't know how many time you are taking for the haircut. But definitely nearby the Getty camp. In Getty camp itself there are a lot of barber.
Yes, sir.
So you
So one idea I thought that sir, after haircut, the barber uses hair dryer. So it can also be placed somewhere, just like Anirudh said that you can place the
yes, that is for what?
hair dryer is for what there's whenever the hairs are cut, the hair spreads all over our bodies and on the chair and on the apparel which we wear, and like recognize and also talk to them. When I was sometime asking them, they used to say the same thing, that they feel the leg pains most of the time, which Sayyid presented very nicely, and maximum time they have some neck pains, and the hand they always